Okay, let's talk about video editing. You know, when you take all your clips and put them together to make a cool video, it's like building with Legos. You start with pieces and you make something awesome. But sometimes it can feel really hard, like when you can't find the right Lego piece or the audio doesn't match the video. That's okay. Everyone feels that way sometimes. The big problem isn't that you're bad at editing. It's that there's so much to learn. Transitions, colors, sounds, it's a lot. But here's the secret. Editing is just about telling a story. You don't need to know everything to make something great. Here's an easy way to think about it. The three S's. Sort, stick, share. First, sort your clips. Put them in order, like lining up your toys before you play. Second, stick them together. Cut out the boring parts and keep the fun stuff. And third, share it. Show your video to someone and see what they think. So, let's make it super simple. Step 1. Before you start, organize your clips. Put them in folders or name them so you can find them easily. Step 2. Learn one new thing this week. Maybe it's how to add music or a cool effect. Just one thing. And step 3. Watch your video like you're seeing it for the first time. Does it make sense? Is it fun to watch? If not, fix it. Remember, editing is like learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, but the more you practice, the better you'll get. And if it doesn't look perfect, that's okay. Even the best editors make mistakes. Just keep trying, keep playing, and have fun. You've got this.